Measuring size of an astronomical object with the help of parallax method. Parallax method is used to measure the size and angular diameter of a planet or any other astronomical object. Let's determine the angular diameter or size of the planet Jupiter. The angle alpha is the angle between the two diametrically opposite points of the planet. It can be measured from the same location on the Earth with the help of astronomical telescope. Let d be the average distance of the Earth from the planet Jupiter. The distance d is very large as compared to the diameter AB of the planet Jupiter. Therefore, AB can be considered as the length of the circular arc of radius d. Hence, diameter AB is equal to the angle alpha into radius d. Therefore, AB can be measured when distance d is known and alpha is measured